Do I feel services of Aero Marine were worth the investment? That's a pretty easy question because the amount of money I saved in taxes certainly outweighed the cost. So it's kind of a no-brainer. And the ability to sleep at night knowing that you're not going to get screwed on the deal. My name is Gino Sesto. I purchased a Cirrus SR22 Turbo 2008 Perspective. The reason why I bought that airplane is when it first came out, it was revolutionary in terms of avionics, and it was always an aspiration of mine to own a Cirrus. I run a small advertising agency called Dash 2. We have about a dozen employees. We mostly specialize in outdoor advertising and digital advertising for Gen Z products like cosmetics and hair and beauty and fashion and things of that nature. So how did I find out about Aero Marine and why did I hire Aero Marine? I believe that I knew there was a way of purchasing an airplane sales tax free, and I was afraid of navigating that on my own. And after doing some research on Google search, I found Aero Marine, and that's how I chose them. Also, they were very responsive. When I'm looking for a service provider, if they don't respond within the first day, I'm done. In our business, if we don't respond in the first 5 minutes, it's probably, you lost. There's 50% chance that you won't win that deal. Versus if you do respond in the first 5 minutes, you have a much higher likelihood of winning that business. So before hiring Aero Marine, my biggest fear of the tax exemption process was obviously getting in trouble. That's it. The last thing you want to do is get in trouble with any sort of government agency and get that lovely fine and the restitution and all the other things that'll come along with it. So I just didn't feel comfortable trying to navigate the process on my own. So when I first contacted Aero and Marine, my initial contact, I just remember it being quick and easy. I don't remember like the exact specifics. I do remember like an engagement letter and a cost and things of that nature, just to kind of give me an idea of what I was looking at. But I don't remember the exact processes. I just know that it wasn't something that I remember, and so therefore it's probably good. Were there any unexpected benefits or insights that I gained from working with Aero Marine? I think the paperwork process was probably the biggest insight. Had I navigated the process on my own, I probably wouldn't have been as diligent. And working with a third party provider to do it for me or help me made me more buttoned up. Like if I did it myself, I probably would have screwed it up. What did it feel like when I got the letter from the good old government that I was exempt? I felt a sign of relief, especially I think I got probably half a dozen emails from y'all saying that it's still on hold, it's still on hold, don't worry, it's still on hold. Only so comforting until you get the letter. So when I got the letter, it was definitely a sigh of relief, and I have it framed in my office. To put it simply, working with a professional such as y'all, I felt comfortable, at ease, and I felt that I was in the capable hands and that I didn't have to worry.